Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Scroll down to the very bottom of the list and pick on About Phone. Now you have to go down and click on the software information where you will notice build number. It's time to tap 7 times on build number, so 6, 7, and as you can see, developer mode has been enabled. Let me go back one more time, and now under About Phone you will notice developer options. Simply open them, and as you can see, from now on you have access to very advanced features and operations. So for example, you can check background and also background process limit and all the other truly useful features and options dedicated to developers only. But if you want to do it, if you are aware how to use them, simply do it and enjoy your phone to its fullest. Then if you would like to switch off developer options, simply tap on this switcher and go back. As you can see, they disappeared from the list. So that's basically all. This is how you can activate, use and deactivate developer options in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.